And you are of course most welcome. This is Project Euler problem number 8. Largest product in a series. The four adjacent digits in the 1000 digit number that have the greatest product are 9 times 9 times 8 times 9 equals 5832. Find the 13 adjacent digits in the 1000 digit number that have the greatest product. What is the value of this product? Okay, so I think the best way, or the easiest way to solve this is just to take, say, a substring of 13 digits. So I've turned this 1000 digit number into a string, and we're just going to take successive substrings. So start with the first 13 digits, and then go to the next 13 digits, and then go to the next 13 digits, and so on and so forth, and just work our way through the entire number. So we're going to break this string n into a set of substrings. So let's say I equals 13, and then while, we need a variable to store the biggest, so biggest equals 0, and then while I is less than 1000, while I is less than 1000, current number is equal to, so now we'll get the 13 digit substring, so it's n I minus 13 to I. That'll do. And then what are we going to do? Now we need to see what the product of those 13 digits is. So product is equal to get product current number. Okay, so I'm going to set up a function called get product, and then if product is bigger than biggest, then biggest equals product. In fact, I should call it current product. That's a bit more useful. There we go. Okay, so that is fine. Now if we get to the bottom here, we need to increment I, so I plus equals 1, and then right at the end we're going to print biggest. Right, okay, so now we set up the get product function, so def get product n, and this will take a string which will then convert into integers, and we'll multiply them all together. So total equals 1. When you're finding a product, you start with total equals 1. If you start with total equals 0, then you're multiplying everything by 0, which will give you 0. So total equals 1. So now we loop through the 13 digits. So for I in range 0 to 13, total times equals ni. Oh, we need to turn that into an integer, so int ni, and then return total. This should work. It did work, but it took a little bit of time. I'm just gonna let's see if that was just the program hanging. Oh, it was. Okay, so that seems okay. So not bad for a first run, but here's the problem. This set of digits, I don't know if this is 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this set of 13 digits contains a 0. So if we find the product of this, it's just going to be 0. And so will this product, and so will this product. So if we encounter a 0, we should just add 13 to I and skip over that 0. So here's what we're going to do. If okay, so if so we'll get current number, then we'll do the if. So if 0 in current number, then we want to add 13 to I, and then break out, well, they just go to the next iteration. So it's not break, it's continue. And then we're going to place the rest under an else statement. So we'll indent that. That should make things a little bit quicker, not noticeably quicker, but it does work. So there's not much else to say on that one really. I couldn't think of any serious major improvements. So that's going to have to be it, and I will see you next time for problem number 9.